Another day here at Ground Zero. Just showing up, charging the other camera phone. I am my own cameraman. That is a delicious drink I'm going to drink later for you guys. Basically, what I'm here to do is see if I can't fuck myself a little more, as usual. No, honestly, what I'm here to do, in case you haven't noticed, is hopefully I can get this thing at least close to running today. It's only been here for like fucking 6 or 8 months now. It's supposed to be a 1, 2, 3 trick flip, and turned it out to be a 1, 2, 3 SS Minnow trip. And I got to get it done. Tired of looking at it. It's taking up too much space. I got things in the works, and it's in the way. It's really in the way. A lot of that shit's in the way too, but I'm only one feller. Only one feller. You know what I mean, Vern? So anyway, I'd like to say good morning to all you couch surfers, or all you couch surfing, sofa farting, I can't say channel surfing after I say couch surfing, because it just doesn't sound right. But anyway, you fucking coat hanger dodging, good for nothing, know-it-alls. What do they call that? Like, the one that master, who's that? Jack of all trades, master of none. You know how all that goes on. All those insults I usually throw at you people. I'm just a little out of it today, a little late. I got to pull some of this stuff out because it's all for sale, by the way. It's all high quality gear. But anyway, I'm pulling all this shit out because I feel like it. No, because it's actually just in the way. And I might have to get some tools on that side of the shop. I'm not sure. Don't think so. Pretty sure I set my work area up yesterday perfectly. Other than that, just wanted to give all you clowns an idea of what's going on here at the old asylum. Remember this bike? I sold it. I didn't sell it, but remember this bike? I had to, it's not the same bike, but I had to hook somebody up with a package deal last year. I sold off like 30 bikes all at once because it wasn't selling any builds. I didn't have any builds to sell, so I was selling off parts and bikes and things I shouldn't have been selling. Just like things I shouldn't be doing. But anyway, I had to throw that in the mix, to get the price I wanted out of the deal. So the guy really, really, really wanted it bad, and I really, really didn't want to get rid of it. So in case that gives you any idea of how much it went for a pretty penny, and it was worth it. So now I got that one from the in-laws. Had it sitting in their back. The in-laws had it sitting in their backyard. So I got it from them, and I got that bike and another bike that it's not worthless. Oh, jackpot! Let's see if the full are we Tonka tough? Are we still recording? Look at that! Wow, Tonka tough. Anyway, so I sold that, and now I got that back from the in-laws. They had it sitting behind one of their little barns, and gave it to me. They were kind enough to donate it to my cause, so I took it in gladly. Hold on one second. I know this phone don't pick up my voice very well. I have a feeling that this phone is very shitty when it comes to picking up my voice. It's got to be like right in front of the motherfucker. Apologize for all the cursing, but you know, those are the only words I know. I think in my vocabulary I have about 6 or 8 or 12 words. Like motherfuckers, like was one of the top ones on the list. It's very hard for me to pull these bikes out whilst holding a camera. Only because basically, you know, I'm doing everything 1.5 handed. And, you know, it's just the way of the world. Not that I'm complaining. Just saying. I apologize for dropping the phone. I apologize if you can't hear me because, like I said, if I'm looking away, not even looking away, it's just, if my mouth ain't in front of the phone, you ain't gonna be able to hear me. That. Hopefully that bike won't fall over. It's a kickstand in the mud. What do you think? I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully don't land on the boss. I gotta get one more out of here, and then you guys can see the fake 3-wheeled ruckus I have. Oh look, something don't want to move. Go figure. Imagine that. Something doesn't want to move in here. I'm so tired of pulling all this shit in and out. I'm so tired of doing all this shit. This is all just parts. Like stock parts, you know what I mean? Like, this stuff I need. Like, well, that's the gas tank for the quad I'm working on. This rubber thing in the back here, that's the gasket to the windshield that I have up against the wall over there for the last 3 years for the Samurai. I get caught up in doing bullshit around here for everybody else except for myself. For the last 2.5 years, I've been just fucking 2 years. I've been 2.5, 2 years, something like that. I've just been catering to everybody else's fucking needs but my own, and I've totally fucked myself big time. You know, the volume of calls I had for builds has gone down and everything, and it's fine. But I'm going broke, so that sucks. But anyway, here we go. You know, we'll go over here. I'm tired. I can't keep holding this phone. That's the first time she's left that bone alone. She loves the wishbone. Anyway, I gave that to her this morning in the car. You know, the old boss. Give the boss the old boning. But yeah, I gotta put this, which is funny because this cam, this whole setup right here, right? That cam and this cam gear, those studs that hold the jug and the head also hold the fucking cam, which is insane. I find that weird. No wonder this thing fails. And you don't hear too much about these. It's the Kaimako fucking 270 or something. It's in all the brute, the Kawasaki. What the hell is this thing? I don't know. The Brute Force 300. And this motor, I believe to be one of the shittiest designs I've ever seen. If those 4 studs are holding all those components together, you're bound to get a stretch and a blown head gasket. Had I known that when I ordered the parts, I would have tried to get better studs. I'm sure they have newer studs that eliminate that issue. This thing is basically brand new. It's got super low time on it. My only other concerns are the radiator, the water pump, and the thermostat. But today I'm going to try and get it together and see if I can't get her to fire, because I'm worried about having to rebuild the carburetor on top of everything else. I am so much time and peanuts involved in this thing right now that I'm literally fed up to the point where I just want to light it on fire and watch it burn, because that would be more entertaining than going through what I'm going to have to go through if something else is wrong with it. No, I would just rip this motor out and put I got a 13 horsepower Honda motor over there, but I have to figure out a way to hook it up to, because this is shaft driven. I'd have to figure out a way to hook it up. Or I got a lot of better options. I got a twin cylinder. I get all kinds of stuff.